Dropping the old straw blower off here at Wilhelm's, get it back in shape for some reason. Good start. Start banging them chains, Carlito. Don't let that thing bust your chop. Not a good way to start a Monday morning. Yep. Look at this setting. Look at this setting. You probably see what the task is going to be today, don't you? Rip wrap. Well, today, this week. Let's say it take us a week. Repair this dam and rip wrap it back up. Get it back in shape. All the water's been coming up and eroding it. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So from the water's edge, we got to come 8 foot up, 2 foot in the water. So here's what we got to do. We got to clean this edge up like so, and then where it's kind of eroded out, take the dirt Ryan's got back there, kind of bring that edge back to where it needs to be, kind of pat it in shape, and then mat it and rip wrap it and repeat. Hammer's over there getting right with a concrete saw on a Monday morning with some Blends oil in the tank. He likes to live his life wide open. Colston likes to watch him live it wide open. It looks like it's doing a pretty good job on this stuff. The exhaust is melting though, ain't it? That's good right there. I think we can get the rest of the soles off. What do you think? It's cool now, but man, it's gonna get toasty, that's for sure. Here's where I'm getting the dirt from, and that's a really kick butt barn dominium right here he built. I did the septic for this. This is the guy that pumps all my septic systems for me. O'Brien, Savings Liquid Waste. Beautiful place. Yeah, I did that septic about, I don't know, 3-4 years ago. Getting a new retaining wall here, and we're going to use this dirt here for the pond dam. Like I always say, you got to find a rhythm. We're getting it. We got all the stuff cut, and we got our little area here prepped. So take this little area, times it by what, 20? Times it by an hour, 20 hours, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? We'll get it. We'll get going. We'll get a good rhythm. Be nice if I had Idaho. He could run the skid steer and dump that for them, and then I could keep prepping. Them two are like yin and yang. Yin and yang, or however you say that stupid ass thing. That's how good they work together right there. Grubbing up all the just debris and crap and setting it over up the backside. Yeah, I don't care. That's a bad thing when you use concrete salt. It does melt the end a little bit. That rake's just looking to get ran over. Warranty. Here we go. First scoop of probably 10,000. Here's what it's looking like. What do you think, Cole?
There's no good in an evil-hearted woman.
Cole knows. I text Idaho, see if he wanted to do the 275 tomorrow and just bring them rock while I keep prepping, but no text back. So that normally means he's got something to do, because he's the most busiest guy that's retired that I've ever met. Carlito!
What?
What you doing?
Waiting to roll this out.
Carlito's getting his steps in there. It's starting to lay in there real nice. We're getting a rhythm. It's only 1:30. We started about 10:30. 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 3 hours. Ain't too bad. You know, it's nice to just have somebody run and get the stuff for me. You can get your 10,000 steps a day.
Yeah.
Just gotta grab her by the kitty cat.
Huh?
Yep.
That ain't gonna work.
What about a razor?
A what?
Razor.
Laser.
Yeah, a laser. A razor.
Oh, a razor. Well,
When he hit her with the old concrete saw, they get cauterized it. That shit's melted together like, I don't know. I don't even know what to say. It's just melted. I've already went through 2 Alani Witch's brews. Man, I tell you, things are real good. Let's go down to the water's edge. Yeah, so now we're gonna lay this in at 8 foot, and then I'm gonna double up the water's edge. Just a little extra protection. Can't never get a little too much protection. We're gonna put that on last. The little piece.
you said you wanted this on the bottom.
Yeah, on top of this. We'll put this one first. Then we'll lay that one, double it up on it. Shove it in, pull it up there, pull it by the kitty cat. Not that end. That's the low end, the top, the other end. The one by your other hand.
The other.
Sometimes it just takes a minute, guys. Just flip the fresh edge up. There you go. Feel like I'm in Vietnam, like the Viet Cong's coming for me. Gonna have leeches on my, you know what.
Keep going.
Need some of them stakes and a hammer.
Down for you?
Yeah, it's good. As long as we got two or 3 foot in the water. We're back to the dog days of summer. When you're earning it. Yeah, I thought that's gonna bust my teeth out. That'd be bitching. God, what are you trying to give me, a damn splinter of death? He just threw the damn wall of death at me. If I had a bullwhip, I'd whip you with it right now, Indiana Jones style.
Grant's been catching up.
He just hit a rock, that's it. Ain't no big deal. Wrestle in that mud. We should do mud wrestling. That'd be a bad idea. Hell, I'm about to wrestle myself down in there. That's all you could ask for when you're a kid, is hit a flea market on a Saturday and get you a Rambo knife with a compass and some fishing string matches and that wire you could cut your leg off if you got in a bear trap. Some Chinese stars. Yeah, let's do another piece, Colston. Get that roll it out over here. Watch it, there's a razor blade. I don't want you to spin it and fly out and get you right in the cornea. And you have to file workman's comp on somebody. It ain't gonna be me. This is the point of the day where you're just grinding through. It's the grind, ain't it, Cole?
Yep.
Look at that tough ass. There you go, wrestle that thing around. Throw it around like a side of beef. Show that thing who's boss. Roll it down there so we know how much to roll out of it. How much of its guts we gotta cut out. I'll tell you, there's no other place I'd rather be but right here with all your family right now. It's a good place. And for that, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and put my t-shirts on sale. What do you think we should put them on sale for? 12 bucks? 10 and 12 bucks? Maybe 15 bucks?
Yeah.
Check out OrschellX.com, see if you can score you a deal. I'll throw socks on there. Every order gets a free pair of socks, but I'll put some on there for like 7 bucks. You'll never go back. When you're working with dangerous tools, you always leave the pointed end up. So you can either step on it, it goes to your foot, or you step on it like this and pow. Right to the, oh God. Dang. You getting it?
Yeah.
Make sure you cut towards your wrist.
Sharp scissors would have done good.
I can't tell you nothing. She got muffler burn on her right here. Muffler melt. He's gonna learn or he's gonna die trying. Get it, you gotta get it down. That's gonna be 2 to 2.5 foot that way. There you go. About 8 inches up on this with this edge. Muffler burn. Was that something we said when we were in high school? It seems like it was. Let me know. You wore out, Cole?
A little.
A little? Unit hurting?
No.
No? You want to do it again tomorrow?
Sure.
See, when you're working, you just gotta think, man, look at all the guns and stuff I can buy. Maybe even buy you a 1988 Mustang 5.0. You can let your hair blow.
Yeah.
Stop and get that leaf blow or straw blower. Well, here's what we got done today. I think we made pretty good progress. It's like 20 after 3. We really didn't get started at about 10, maybe a little later. But for a Monday and first day on a job, I mean, that's really not that bad. You got to get your rhythm. You got to figure out how everything's going to go, everything's going to lay in there. Everything's gonna come together. So that's 2 loads, so that's 40 tons to that far. So we got 6 altogether, so 20, 40. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. So there's 20, 40, 60, 80. That's gonna be probably, he added 2 more foot. So we might have to get 2 more loads, 3 more loads, 4 more loads, 5 more loads, I don't know. But for a Monday, that ain't too bad. I'm happy with it. And I'll come through here with the Mini and make everything look totally bitchin'. But always appreciate you hanging with me. It's always an adventure. Wasn't like I said, it's Monday. You guys know what I'm talking about. Hey, Orschell X, I'm gonna do t-shirts 10 and 12, socks like 6, and we'll figure something out. Go over there and bang some of them buttons. Right on. I just had a guy message me from the shop. He wants some work done, and he did tattoos, and man, he was a killer artist. So I think I might trade him out some work. He wants some stumps dug out. Trade him out that for a couple new t-shirt designs. I got some bangers coming. Stay tuned. That laid in there all right for a Monday.